Ever felt like someone controlled the conversation without you even realizing it? What if I told you there are hidden psychological tricks that can help you gain the upper hand in any situation? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal 5 dark psychology techniques that can make you more persuasive, influential, and in control. Dark psychology isn't magic. It's about understanding how the human mind works and using that knowledge to your advantage. Whether you want to negotiate better, influence people, or protect yourself from manipulation, these tricks will be powerful tools in your life. Mirroring effect, subconscious trust building. People naturally like those who are similar to them. That's where the mirroring effect comes in. This technique involves subtly copying the other person's body language, speech patterns, or expressions. It builds instant trust without them realizing why they feel comfortable around you. How to use it. If they lean forward, you lean forward. If they talk slowly, you slow down your speech. If they use certain words repeatedly, you mirror them in your response. Try this the next time you're in a conversation, and watch how the person opens up to you without even knowing why. The power of silence, forcing people to reveal more. Most people feel uncomfortable with silence in a conversation. Smart manipulators use this to their advantage by staying quiet after asking a question. The other person will instinctively try to fill the silence, often revealing valuable information. How to use it. Ask an important question and then pause. Instead of responding immediately, wait for them to continue talking. The longer the silence, the more likely they'll reveal something useful. This works especially well in negotiations, job interviews, and personal discussions where you need information. 3. The foot in the door technique, getting people to say yes. Ever noticed how salespeople start by asking for something small before moving on to a bigger request? This is the foot in the door technique. It works because once someone agrees to something minor, they're more likely to agree to a larger request later. How to use it. Start with a small request that's easy to say yes to. Once they agree, follow up with a bigger request. This makes them feel committed and increases the chances of compliance. For example, if you want your friend to help you with a big task, start by asking for something small first, like holding your bag for a minute. Later, they'll be more open to helping you with the bigger task. The guilt trap, making people feel obligated to help you. People hate feeling guilty, and dark psychology experts know how to use this against them. The guilt trap involves making someone feel like they owe you something, even when they don't. How to use it. Do a small favor for someone without them asking. Later, when you need something, remind them of what you did. Most people will feel obligated to return the favor. For example, if you pay for someone's coffee today, they'll feel like they should return the favor next time. This works in both personal and business relationships. The illusion of choice, making people think they have control. One of the smartest manipulation tricks is making people think they have control when they actually don't. This is called the illusion of choice. Instead of forcing someone to do what you want, you give them 2 options, both of which lead to the outcome you desire. How to use it. Instead of saying, "Can you do this for me?" say, "Would you prefer to do this now or later?" Instead of asking, "Do you want to sign up?" say, "Would you like the basic plan or the premium one?" By doing this, people feel like they made a decision on their own, even though you led them exactly where you wanted. These 5 dark psychology tricks can give you a serious advantage in life. But remember, powerful knowledge should be used wisely. You can use these tricks to influence people, win negotiations, or simply become more aware of when someone is trying to manipulate you. Which of these tricks do you think is the most powerful? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video valuable, hit the like button and subscribe for more mind hacks, life tricks, and deep psychology secrets. Thanks for watching Next Level Mind. See you in the next one.